Okay, lawn fans, are you ready? So let's talk about my father-in-law's lawn today. And part of his Christmas present this year was I was going to apply products to his yard and get the front area right here looking better. He did have a tree that was right there. It's a pretty tall tree. He took it down, so the area right where my finger draws a line to, that was pretty bare. Not real bare, but had bare spots around it, and it is filled in pretty nicely. That's a Japanese beetle catcher right there where that pine straw is at, if you're wondering. But I put a lot of organic matter out on this lawn. This used to be a somewhat bare area coming in right through here, kind of similar to what you see back down behind this. But what all have I put out here? I put humichar out here. I put humic granular out here on this. I have put liquid aeration. I know everybody's got an opinion on that, but I put that out on it. I put some micronutrients on it. He started his season by putting out an 11-11-11. We did a soil test prior to all that to find out exactly what his lawn needed. It did need lime, so we limed it. What else here? Today, I came and I put a Tractor Supply 15% nitrogen and 6% iron out on this. And he has done a little bit of sanding on this. I believe that his lawnmower blade, he sharpened it, and I believe it may be off some because I can see some circular marks in the ground. Let's see if I can find some good ones here. If you look right there, some circular marks. But today I also put molasses out on this, and I have become a big fan of molasses and the benefits that it gives to the soil and microbial activity. So I told him to give this a few days after putting this out, and he might see a color change. He'll definitely see it from that 6% iron that I put out on it, but he might also see some benefit, a greenish bluish color from the molasses. Now on top of that, he has got a little bit of fungus going on this, and some dollar spot. If you look down in there, and right here. What we are going to do for that is we're going to start with this product here. He's going to spray it out when it cools off tonight. Let it sit overnight. You do not want to put this out when the sun is strong and hot like it is right now. I think we're about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So he'll put that out tonight. And then in about a week's time, we're going to see the benefit from everything that I sprayed today. But also, I'm going to see if I can get him to buy a balancer for his blade sharpening, because I do believe he took a little bit too much off of one side, so it's not balanced anymore. And that this yard is level, so I know that it's not a matter of the lawn being uneven. He does cut with a rotary mower. I do believe that the mower blade is off balance. So that's it from my father-in-law's house. Bermuda Brian, out.